The National Human Rights Commission has issued a notice to the Union Health Secretary and Sathya Jung Hospital on a complaint alleging that more than 8,200 children have died at that institution in the past 5 years. Based on an RTI, it has also been alleged that 5 out of 18 ventilators for children were not functional. The NHRC had yesterday issued a notice to the Union Health Secretary on a complaint alleging illegal clinical drug trials as well. Trials were conducted on nearly 3,500 children during the last 5 years. The trials took place in 3 government hospitals, including Sathya Jung Hospital as well. Bringing us this story is our correspondent Meenakshi Upreti. She's live from Sathya Jung Hospital. Meenakshi, have you had any sort of reactions from the hospital itself?
Yes, we tried talking to the hospital authorities. As of now, all we have is that the hospital authorities have asked for data from various departments. They say they're looking into the allegations, but no official reaction. They say they will come out with an official reaction tomorrow. But let me run you through the RTI. The RTI reveals some very startling facts that around 8,200 kids have lost their lives in the past 5 years in Sathya Jung Hospital. 3,000 of them were newborn babies. 7 out of the 18 ventilators were not working. In fact, the RTI also talks about illegal clinical trials being conducted on children. Around 2,500 children, illegal trials were conducted on them. As the National Human Rights Commission has also served the notice to the MS and the Health Secretary, and they have to reply to it within 4 weeks.
Meenakshi, I just want to quickly ask you, you were talking about a high number of infant deaths, you're talking about equipment that's really not been working, and of course also allegations of clinical trials that have been happening. These are findings over 5 years?
Yes, these are findings of over 5 years. The RTI reveals findings which were conducted in the last 5 years, to be very specific. And the RTI activist I spoke to, he says that the RTI also reveals that there were around 70 maternal deaths happening in this very hospital every year. In fact, the RTI activist also alleging that the condition in the hospital are very unhygienic, very serious allegations being made, and obviously one of the most serious ones about illegal clinical trials.